Hello. Welcome to the Health and Fitness TV. This is your host, Sunny. In this video, I am gonna talk about the 6 amazing benefits carrots do for your body. So, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. How do carrots benefit us? You're probably thinking of that one benefit: it's good for the eyes. That's one, yes, but the benefits of this nutrient-dense root certainly don't end there. As a matter of fact, there are so many good things that eating carrots can do to your body. One of these is that it's great for managing your weight. This is probably a new one for you, right? Learn more about how carrots do this and many other awesome and surprising benefits of this orange root veggie. So, don't go just yet, and make sure to watch until the end of this video. Number 1. Carrots aid in weight loss. Raw, fresh carrots comprise around 88% water. That's a lot, huh? This explains why a medium carrot only contains about 25 calories. So, if you want to fill yourself up without loading up too many calories, then carrots are a great way to do so. Also, these veggies are high in fiber, which promotes a feeling of fullness. Number 2. Carrots promote glowing and wrinkle-free skin. The beta-carotene compound that's responsible for the stark color of carrots is also responsible for brightening the skin. Aside from that, it also promotes firm, elastic and healthy skin. So, if you want to naturally prevent wrinkles and get radiant skin, then look no further. Number 3. Carrots boost eye health. Is your eyesight declining lately? Learn to eat carrots. Carrots have long since been regarded as a foolproof remedy to improve eyesight. That's because this veggie is rich in lycopene and lutein, which help maintain good eyesight and night vision. Moreover, eating carrots regularly can help remarkably lower the risk of glaucoma. Number 4. Carrots improve heart health. Thanks to the abundance of fiber in carrots, eating them can boost your heart health by removing excess LDL, bad cholesterol. Apparently, this vegetable has a form of calcium that's easily assimilated into the body, thus, helping lower levels of LDL cholesterol. Researchers have also found out that carrots help lower the risk of heart disease by 32%. Number 5. Carrots lower blood pressure. The potassium alone in carrots plays a big role in maintaining normal blood pressure. Potassium does this by relaxing the tension in the blood vessels and arteries. As a result, it improves the blood flow and brings down the elevated blood pressure. Plus, carrots have minerals that balance sodium. In turn, it helps remove excess sodium and fluid from the body, taking the pressure off from your heart. Number 6. Carrots support immunity. The vitamin C alone in carrots is crucial for healing and immune support. Additionally, carrots are packed with several minerals, antioxidants, and vitamins that contribute to a stronger nervous system, better brain power, and bone health. Antioxidants fight off free radical damage, in addition to guarding against harmful bacteria, viruses, and inflammation. So, what are you waiting for? Stock up on carrots and take advantage of the bountiful health benefits of eating carrots. Eating your way to a healthy and sustainable life is the new trend these days. If you want to share something with us about this video, just leave them below. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please share it with your friends and family. If you have a topic that you would like us to cover on this channel, put it down in the comment section below. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you are the first one to get notified when we post a new video. Thanks a lot for your love and support. See you all in the next video.